What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chino here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to properly go ahead and clean and then dress and also coat your wheels. We're going to be using DP Ambassador here, so we're going to go ahead and show you this. This is the dual wheel and tire cleaner. This is safe under direct sunlight, so it's great for you mobile guys. So what you're going to want to do first is rinse off any loose dirt that's on the actual tire / wheel. Let that dry a bit, then directly apply. It is acid free, as I mentioned, so it's not gonna go ahead and damage anything. This wheel hasn't been cleaned in a while, so we are gonna really drench it on there. You're gonna use your Speedmaster brush. Rinse it a little bit, make sure there's nothing loose on there. Spray a little bit of that product onto there as well, and then get to agitating. Not really necessary. You can let this product sit up there to 30 to 1 minute, 30 seconds to a minute, and it actually does it, but that's just in case. As you guys can see, look at all that grime just starting to fall right off. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. We also have our Speedmaster wheel mitt. We'll go ahead and put a little bit of product. Can't get into the barrel, so we're just gonna go ahead and clean the face. This is very safe, making sure we're not scratching the client's actual rim. So as you guys notice, I'm not adding any more water or product. The product is actually very, very lubricant. Go ahead and not damaging anything. After that, go ahead and rinse off. And just look at that difference, ladies and gentlemen. No grime whatsoever on that rubber. That is beautiful, perfectly. Now we're gonna wait for that to dry up a bit. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Perfectly black, no browning, no grime. Dual action wheel and tire cleaner. And now we're gonna go ahead and dress it. I like to use tire dressing by DP. Why? Because one, it has a beautiful bubblegum smell, and also application is beautiful. Also water-based. Check it out. I like to start off with the inner brim, then work my way out. Nice and even application. If you gotta add a little bit more, tires are freshly cleaned, so sometimes you gotta add a little bit more and make sure it's evenly distributed. Beautiful, ladies and gentlemen, look at that, straight out the dealership. And now that we spent all this time making this tire beautiful and this wheel, we might as well coat them. It's not only gonna make your wheel last longer by not looking as dirty, it's not gonna let anything attach itself to it. No grime, no dirt, no brake dust. So we might as well coat it, right? DP's wheel coating, ladies and gentlemen. Very easy to apply. You can either apply it directly on or you can put it onto an applicator. First, I like to make sure there's no grime there left, because that would be a shame, and make sure it's fully dry. After you make sure that, Speedmaster applicator, and apply it. A little bit does go a long way, so a few sprays can coat the whole entire wheel. The face, you want to add a little bit more just for safety, go ahead. I like to let that sit for about 10-15 seconds. We're also working in direct sunlight, so we might as well just buff it off now. And just look at that shine. Not only does it look beautiful, it's also protected. DP, ladies and gentlemen. These are just one of the many products that DP has to offer you guys. Go check them out at Autogeek.com, DP products, and put Chino 15 and give yourself a discount because you deserve it. Find yourself one of these dressings, coatings, and much more. Thank you for having us, Autogeek. We'll see you in the next one.